Well, hello, Bro Halim, Bro Bisma, and Bro Fatah. Welcome to the class, everyone, and good evening.
Halo Bro Bima, Bro
Okay,
Yahya, Bro Fatah. I'm fine, pretty good now.
all of men here, cowok semua atau pria semua nih yang di sini. I don't know where's the others, by the way, Francis. Yeah, so I have told them maybe the other one, like Sis Novisari, is still busy, and then Sis Vivi has the other business, maybe. Then only us here can join, yeah, our class, Francis. So maybe without further ado, while waiting for the others, we're gonna study first our class tonight. We're gonna open it by praying together. Praying begin. Okay, finish. Thank you so much, Bro Halim, and Bro Bisma, and Bro Fatah. And how's life today? How is it going today, Bro? Bro Halim, Bro Bisma, and Bro Fatah. Apa kabar hari ini?
Yeah, I'm doing good, bro. Thank
Okay.
you. What about you?
Yeah, I'm very well today. Yeah, it's really nice, but
Oh,
maybe yeah, first today I'm little bit tired, little bit only, by the way, bro, because I didn't took a nap. Sorry, I didn't take a nap. Nggak tidur siang
mm,
tadi kayak gitu ya. Thank
do
you.
you usually take a nap, bro? Every day?
Sometimes, but yeah, I often,
Oh,
bro.
yeah. My day was seem like you a little bit tired.
Little bit tiring ya. Today is a little bit tiring.
Okay, a little bit
Harinya sedikit
tiring.
lelah. Ya.
Yeah, and today was I accompanied my wife to change her bracelet, yeah, bracelet gelang.
Oh, huh? Bracelet.
Her bracelet to toko emas. Toko
Yeah,
emas.
it's a kind of
What we
like a
call.
jewelry store atau toko
Okay,
perhiasan.
jewelry shop, yeah. And you know, the weather today was hot.
Oh, it's so
Hot.
hot over there.
Yeah, was hot, but uh, this afternoon, I mean,
Oh, okay. This
but
afternoon was so hot. Yeah.
yeah, but this evening, a little bit cold, I think.
Is it windy over there, Bro Fatah?
Yeah, it's windy.
Okay, I see. And then I don't know. I got information. Yeah, I got a news, by the way, from the social media that around Java, okay,
Yeah.
the temperature it's lower, lebih rendah kayak gitu ya. And then
Mm.
it's so that all of the people in Java, around Java, by the way, branches, so it's so cool the circumstance, suasananya kayak gitu ya. Suasananya dingin. Okay, I see. Then what about Bro Halim and Bro Bisma? How's your day, bro? Halo, Bro Halim. Halo, Bro Halim, Bro Bisma. Cek cek. Halo. Oh, Bro Bisma still has a problem with the connections. Hello, Bro Halim.
Oh, halo, good
Okay.
evening, Bro Yahya. How are you, bro?
Yeah, I'm great. What about you, Bro Halim?
I'm doing well, bro.
Okay,
Alhamdulillah.
I'm glad to hear that.
Yes.
How's your day, bro? It was boring, it was fun, or it was tiring, bro?
Sorry, I just got home at
Oh,
8 o'clock. So in my office, I come late, working overtime.
mm,
So just now I took a bath and dinner with my wife and my son.
okay.
I think in
Did
Sulawesi
you have
juga
dinner
the weather is
outside,
very
bro?
good. No. Sometimes I dinner outside with my wife on holiday, maybe on holiday.
Oh, sometimes.
Usually on Saturday or Monday. I think off in my weekend.
Mhm.
But every day I must dinner with my family in my house.
You
Uh,
have a quality time, yeah, bro. Yeah.
yes, in holiday, quality time in holiday. I think in Tega now the weather is very hot. It's
Mhm.
very hot. Uh, uh, Don't raining here. Still along. So the weather is very hot.
Okay, I see. So, by the way, okay, wait a minute here. Sorry, I will share the link first, yeah, for the others friends. Because I'm not the admin, so that the link is sebentar. I'll share the link first. Oh, this one. We have one of our friends here. Maybe it's Fifi, I think. Bro Halim and Bro Fatah. Okay, so it's really great to know about your day, Bro Fatah and Bro Halim. And here, well, hello, Bro Bisma. Bro Bisma, check, check.
Hello, bro.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Back at the
Did
moment.
you get a problem with the connections, Bro Bisma?
Yes, I had, but right
Okay.
now it's okay.
Okay, great. Glad to hear that. And then, how's life today, Bro Bisma?
Uh today, okay. Today is not really tired for me.
It's
Yeah.
not really tiring, tidak terlalu
Yes.
melelahkan.
Yes, it's not really tiring. Yeah, just doing my ordinary activities because I'm employed right now. So in the morning, workout, jogging for 30
Okay.
minutes, and after that, I open my laptops, uh, learning something new in my life, and after that, yeah, I go for lunch, dinner, and after that, yeah, it's not really tired. It's not really tiring for me. So yeah,
Okay. So, did you go to work, by the way, Bro Bisma?
I'm sorry. Pardon.
Did you go to work
Re-
in the morning? I mean, did you go to work?
no. Workout.
Okay, only working out. So,
Yes,
okay, so that you are not really tired, yeah.
yeah,
So it's really good. I think you have a good body shape, I think, bro, because
yes,
you do the exercise like a workout every day, right? Okay.
yes,
It's about the consistency, by the way, bro. Consistency-nya, yeah.
yes. You're right.
Okay, thanks, by the way, Professor, for answering my questions. Hello, Sis Vivi.
Hello, bro. Hi, all. How are you
Okay,
today?
how are you today? Yeah, I'm great. What about you, Sis Vivi?
I'm great also. Thank you for asking. By the way, I'm sorry. Yesterday I didn't join in this class because I was so excited. So busy for the preparation MPLS for my daughter in a new school.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah.
And then, by the way, for your information, Sis V, yesterday, there were only Bro Halim and Bro Fatah that
Oh,
joined
really?
class, yeah, so that it's only three including me, three members including me,
Oh,
three people in my class. And then we hope, yeah, we hope yesterday that today's class will have a lot of members. Maybe we have some additional, something like that. So that Alhamdulillah, so we have Probisma and you here. So we are not only three
yeah.
people in the room, yeah, to make
Sis
it more
Onion still
interesting.
in Palembang as also.
Sorry?
Sis Sis
Novi.
Novi.
Yeah.
Yeah, still in Palembang.
I do realize that maybe for the last time we met in the last time we had a class, yeah, she told us that she had a what is that? trip of her work or her
Yes.
working, yeah. So that she maybe I realized that she couldn't join our class yesterday, but it's really okay. And then I thought it was you as well, okay, that you couldn't because you had the other business maybe. So I realized it. It's really okay, sis. Okay, so maybe yeah, directly we're gonna start the class with with the lessons today. Apprentice, here I'm gonna show you. We are talking
About
for
what?
the last okay, talking about therefore or explaining about this one ya. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang
Oh,
phrases for conclusion. Okay, when we want to answer the question, we have the opening, main idea, explanation, and then examples. Okay, and then in the last we have in summaries ya, atau kesimpulannya seperti itu teman-teman. So that right now we focus on that phrases, by the way, for making a conclusion or for concluding something. This one. So wait a minute. Talking is about therefore. Therefore itu bisa oleh karena itu atau maka dari itu and then the meaning ya. So a lot by the way. And then today's goal summarizing a speech using the correct cohesive what is it? Oh, this devices. Jadi kita menggunakan memperinci atau menyimpulkan ya sebuah pidato kayak gitu menggunakan sebuah alat bantu berupa device ya, kayak gitu bisa berupa kalimat atau berupa frase yang kita gunakan di sini yang kohesif dan juga benar teman-teman. Okay. So directly this is phrases for conclusions. The way you want to tell about the conclusion or the summary, so you have some of phrases, yeah. That's the common one like so, therefore, all. The conclusion is, in conclusion, in summary, that's a common one. But actually, we have the others also, like in short, in brief, to sum up, all, all together, so all in all, to wrap up, and then to conclude, or that the others here, that's a common one. Jadi kita fokusnya sebenarnya menjawab pertanyaan di sini ya, menjawab pertanyaan, and then we are focusing the usage of phrases for conclusion. Jadi kita memfokuskan pada penggunaan frase untuk membuat atau memberikan kesimpulan teman di sini. Okay, so those are the question. This one, pick 3 of those phrases provided above and use it later every time you need, Francis. Jadi silakan dari yang contoh ini teman-teman, you can write down it first into the paper or you can keep in mind, by the way. Just choose 3 phrases for a conclusion or for making the conclusion ya, untuk membuat konklusi yang mau digunakan nanti apa teman-teman. The way you answer the question, of course, you have to remember, I remind you that you have to use the opening, and then of course telling about the main idea step by stepnya ya, or the sample answer, you have to use that, Francis. Okay. Tapi penggunaannya yang pasti tidak boleh dilupakan adalah frase terhadap conclusion ini ya yang kita gunakan, Francis ya. Okay, so have you chosen 3 of them, by the way, Francis? Sudah memilih 3 dari mereka mungkin yang akan digunakan nanti ketika teman-teman menjawab pertanyaan? Have you? Bro Halim, Bro Fatah, Bro Bisma, and Sis Vivi?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, you have, yeah? Okay, that's great. So right now, I'm going to show you, Francis, the questions. This one. The first, yeah, this one, the spoiler, use your opening, giving opinion, giving examples, giving conclusions, phrases to have a more marvelous speaking. So those are the questions. The first, what kind of meals do you like? Do you often dine in with your family or friends? And then When do you usually eat dinner? Are there any fruits, vegetables you don't like, and then why? What is your favorite cuisine? How can we make people eat healthier food? Do you think do you think people enjoy what they eat on a regular basis? Do you think cooking is a pleasure or a burden for most people? Ya, or most wife. Nah, jadi itu adalah pertanyaan-pertanyaannya. But I will make it different because I have prepared ya, Francis ya. Saya sudah siapkan. I will make it to be like a circle wheel atau roda yang berputar, roda lingkaran kayak gitu. Jadi nanti kita akan spin, teman-teman nanti dapat jawaban yang mana seperti itu ya. So, wait in a minute, I will show you this one. Okay. Oh, I forgot it. This one, Francis. Tadi saya sudah susun, teman-teman. Biar lebih menarik saja daripada ditanyain satu-satu ya. Oke, jadi kita akan coba spin di sini, teman-teman. Okay, can you see here, by the way, Francis? Bisa kelihatan ya pertanyaannya, teman-teman ya?
Yes.
Okay, so here I would like to start from maybe Bro Halim first ya. Bro Halim, so I will spin it. Of course, you will get the random question here. The first question, do you think cooking is a pleasure or a burden for most of wives? Are there any fruits or vegetables you don't like? And then why? Okay, what kind of meals you like? And then what is your favorite cuisine? This one, how can we make people eat healthier food? Nah, itu adalah pertanyaan-pertanyaannya, Francis. So you have to answer it later, ya. Okay, start from Bro Halim. Can I start spin it, Bro Halim, for
Yes.
choosing the question for you?
Yes, I'll start.
Okay, I'll try, yeah. I will spin it. Okay, so what kind of meals do you like, by the way, Bro Halim? Kira-kira makanan apa nih, Bro, yang Bro Halim suka? Maksudnya untuk makan siang, makan malam, makan pagi, sarapan. Kira-kira makanannya yang disuka apa, Bro? Okay, please you to answer it, Bro Halim.
Okay, thank you, bro. Haya, a great question. To tell you the truth, I like got soup, got satay, and chicken opor.
Oh,
Some
okay.
sometimes I like to eat spicy quite or
Spicy.
rica,
Spicy.
yeah, spicy quite rica, and chicken noodle. And I prefer food safe, hot or warm. And
Okay.
I don't like cold food.
I see.
So therefore, I eat food that is full of nutrition and protein to maintain my body.
Okay,
That's
your
all.
muscle, eh?
Yes. Thank you. That's all, bro. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I see. Very good, by the way, bro. But actually, Bro Halim, you forget about this one. For in summary's letter, maybe you can explain it more ya. Menyebutkan lebih panjang lagi kayak gitu, Bro Halim. And later on, you have to mention the example every morning, why, and then the reason why you eat that, kayak gitu, kenapa alasannya, kayak gitu nanti ya, Bro ya. It's okay. By the way, it's a really good answer, by the way, from you, yeah, Halim. And then for the next, I would like to choose Bro Bisma. Okay, let's go, Bro Bisma. I'll spin it for you, yeah, Bro Bisma, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Okay, bro. This question related to you because you like workout. To maintain your body, of course, you not only do workout or exercise, but of course, you will eat the healthier food, right? So the question for you, how can we make people eat healthier food, bro? Because some of the cases, some of the phenomena that we found in around or in our daily life, people will eat like junk food, maybe, yeah, or the fast food restaurant, something like that. So the way for you, how can we make people eat healthier food, Bro Bisma? Okay, I please you to answer right now, Bro Bisma.
Oh, wow, wow. I think this is difficult question, so we okay, because some frequently I eat junk food also. But
Okay.
for me, how can the people can eat the healthier food?
Mhm.
For me, uh, every people or every people should eat at least one kind of food that it's the part of the healthy food. For
Mhm.
example, like this, if you eat like KFC chickens or fried chickens, I think that's besides you only eat rice with chickens with spicy sauce, you should uh, put like vegetables. After that,
Mhm.
becomes like your dishes. I'm sorry, become your appetizers, or yes, of course, become your dishes, or you put vegetables, something like this. Because sometimes when you only enjoy your junk foods, you don't think about your healthy sides. I think that's you forget about the impact after you eat these foods. Okay, for example, like when you eat vegetables or you eat fruits, it will be good for your digestive process. Okay, and after that, you 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 will what can I say to you? You will feel how impactful the healthy food in your body, and also you should pay attention about how many times you eat in a week or in a day about your junk food or your healthy foods. And maybe you can make a memo, or you make something like, I don't know, this is giving a good power for you to eat a healthy food or not. But I think is that you should make a schedules. Yes, the schedules for when you want to eat the junk food, when you want to eat with a lot of the healthy food, and after that you should make the time for you for workout or doing an exercise, because this is important things for your body. So uh, I think that this is why I think that it's something that you can do when you want to eat a healthier food. In conclusions, I will say that as a humans, we think that we really love the junk food also, but what we eat, it's something that we can feel at the future. So things more and more about eating a lot of the junk food. Maybe that's it for me, bro. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. The main point, yeah, you realize that actually, and then you said that it's a really hard questions, yeah, maybe yeah, to be answered, bro. To answer, by the way, bro Pisma, when you say that you are still consuming the junk food as well in that day, so I realized about this one. You want to make it balance, yeah. So you
Yes.
eat the junk food, but you will do the workout to keep your body shape like that. Okay,
Yes.
for
Yes.
shaping your body. Okay,
Yes.
so that's the people or what I've done. By the way, from my the time I want to do the diet because why? Because I want to eat a lot like that.
Yes. Yes.
Jadi kan bisa lihat tapi makannya banyak lihat dia terus kayak gitu. Jadi nggak apa nggak masalah sih menurut badan at that time, but right now I couldn't control it anymore. By the way, bro. Okay, it's so hard to control that. By the way, okay, thank you so much, Bro Bisma, for answering the question. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so for the next, I would like to access Fifi. Kita ke sis Fifi ya sekarang ya. Okay, wait a minute, Sis Fifi.
Yes.
Sorry. Okay, wait. Okay, here. This is the questions for you, Sis Fifi. We're gonna spin it here. Okay, wait.
Do you think cooking is a pleasure or a burden for most of wives?
Okay, related to you as a wife, maybe Sis Fifi here. Do you think cooking is a pleasure or a burden for most of wives? Okay, let's go. I please you, Sis Fifi, for answer that.
Wow. It's very, very difficult, I think, yeah. Not. Actually, yeah, sorry to say, actually, no, for me, not a burden for me. It's like a obligation, maybe.
Oh, yeah, as a wife. Yeah.
Yeah, as a wife. So, I just need my family going to be held with my own food, right? Actually, in my family, in my house, in my little family, I have a wait a minute. I have a maid that I forbid to her to cook for us because
Oh, yeah.
the meals only pure from me by made by me. So I want to
Oh, I
know
see.
like the ingredient and the recipe and then how to choose the meals. It's all from me. It's by my own. It's my own apa? Let's say apa sih? Aduh, aku kok grogi ya.
What's that? What do you want to
Eh,
say?
regulasi apa ya? Kayak
Regulation?
aturanku sendiri itu aturan
Yeah,
wajibku sendiri gitu.
my own obligation, my own rules.
Yeah, my own rules. Yeah, right. My own rules. So if although meanwhile if we go to outside just for the menu and place where we can eat together by me also. All about the obligation is on my hand. So uh that's what I think is so the cooking is burden for me. No, it's not a burden, it's just obligation and all is for my family, my kids, my husband. Yeah, they have going to be held for
Yeah,
the menu what I serve to them. That's all. I
okay.
think it's actually it's really really hard to answer, because
Okay.
yeah, maybe it's just a theory, but yeah, I did it. I did it every day, but yeah, uh, nobody can touch my cuisine in my house. Nobody. That's my yaitu tadi apa hak patennya.
Yeah.
Ya, ya begitulah. Okay,
Okay.
by the way,
So
Lola,
I
yeah.
see this one, by the way, is Fifi, yeah. The main point, yeah, of course, it's a pleasure for you, or you can say cooking is an obligation, right? As a wife,
Yes.
maybe in the family, in the household, and then you want to make your family eat the food or the meals that made by you, by Chef Fifi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the only chef. No
Okay,
one.
you're the only chef. So you hire the maid at home maybe to
Only
help
for
you do
cleaning.
the other things, yeah, such as like maybe
Yeah, it is.
what's that? Cleaning the house, or
Yes.
what else? Maybe such like the maid that do maybe
Only
more.
that. Only for the cleaning the house. Only
Mm,
that.
okay, so for making the food or preparing all of their
It's
what's
my obligation. It's my
obligation.
rule. My rule. Yeah.
Okay, I see. It's you're such as a really great wife, by the way, that I know here from your statements, SVP. I really like it. Okay, thank you so much,
Thank
SVP,
you.
for answering the
Thank
question.
you.
Okay, and then for the next one right now, we have Profata. Okay, Bro Fata, I will spin it for you, yeah?
Okay.
Oh, the same questions
Do you
as
think
his
cooking is a
music.
pleasure or a burden for most of wives?
Okay, so in the man point of view, okay, dalam sudut pandang seorang pria ini, do you think cooking is a pleasure or a burden for most of wife? Jadi kira-kira menurut Bro Fata itu memasak itu adalah sebuah kesenangan atau justru sebuah beban untuk kebanyakan istri, bro. So what do you think?
Yeah. Wow, that's a quite difficult question, bro. Well, talking about cooking is pleasure or a burden, in my
Mhm.
opinion, it just depends on them, bro. In this world, there are many people like cooking and don't. So for the people who like cooking, I think they will cook happily, and it will be pleasure for them because it's just like their hobby. So they will do it happily, bro. But for the people who don't like cooking, who don't like cook, maybe it will be burden for them because they do what they don't like. So in short, related to the question, it depends on their hobby. That's it, bro.
Okay, I see. It's hard to answer, by the way, Apropata, so
Yeah.
that you give me the short opinion because you have no idea to answer the questions. Yeah, I do agree, by the way, with you, Profata, that actually maybe I can say that cooking is a pleasure for most of wives. Saya bisa bilang itu adalah kesenangan mungkin seperti itu ya. Because sometimes if they don't have a time or they don't want to make what's that make food or preparing, yeah, or they don't want to cook, bro, for that, so that they will ask to the husband or to her hubby untuk kepada suaminya that they want to buy or find some food outside like that or eating outside, yeah. So it's only a pleasure, by the way, for most of wife, but it's not a burden. Mungkin bukan jika pun ada yang tidak suka, but it's not a burden, bukan menjadi beban. We can discuss it that we can buy or getting some food outside like that, yeah, bro, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really
Okay.
good. Okay, so for the next, right now we back to Bro Halim. So each people or each person will get two questions, by the way, ya. Kita kembali ke Bro Halim lagi di sini. By the way, Francis, later on, if you want to respond the question or the answer from your friends, it's really okay, Francis, ya. Jadi kalau cabut kayak mungkin dari Bro Fata tadi ngomong, kemudian ada yang menanggapi, it's really okay to make it more active, ya. Okay, so right now back to Bro Halim. Halo, Bro Halim.
Hello.
Okay, so we will spin it again and then you will get the other questions, yeah? The questions that you have got, what kind of meals you like, by the way, Bro Halim. Then right now, I hope that you will not get the same questions. If you get the same questions, we will spin it again. Okay, this is the questions for you. Oh, back then,
What kinds of
okay.
meals do you like?
I eliminated first, ya. Coba kita ulang.
Oh, God.
Okay.
How can we make people eat healthier food?
Okay, how can we make people eat healthier food? What do you think, Bro Halim?
Yes, that's a very good question, but for me, that is a difficult question.
Okay.
First, I think, in my opinion, we must understand the importance of eating for health. So, a good and healthy diet to keep the body in top condition, and ultimately, we can easily encourage people to eat healthy food. And
It's
the
hard to answer,
conclusion,
bro.
yeah, and concern, edge nutrition foods and so that we have been introduced how 4 healthy and 5 perfect eating pattern maybe. 4 sehat 5 sempurna.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think like that, bro. 4 sehat
It's a
5
really hard
sempurna.
answer
It is
for you, by the
to
way.
the 4 healthy, perfect, and 5 eating.
Okay, so I will give you the questions, by the way, Bro Halim. Do you think that you have consumed, okay, such a healthier food, bro, in your reality or in your daily life?
Sorry, pardon, bro.
Sorry,
But
have
connection.
do you eat the healthier food every day? Do you think that you have had or consumed the healthier food every day, bro, in your daily life?
Yes, we must eat healthy food in my daily life to take my body to health. So we must consume
Consume.
consume food. To eat healthy food, maybe in order my body is strong. And
Okay.
sometimes I think for my body when I sick. So why I said that I like hot satay. That I think very good for me. Whenever we sick, my body sick. God satay give me strong again. I didn't want to eat. I had no appetite for food. I had the confidence and suggestion that my eating God satay. So that God satay is my cuisine, my favorite food. Appetite could increase and whenever my sick body could be healthy again, bro.
Yeah, I see, I see. Okay, so that's the way you consume the food for every day, kayak gitu ya. Itu adalah caranya Bro Halim untuk mengkonsumsi makanan untuk setiap harinya. Okay, that's really good. Do you have any additional, Bro Halim? Halo,
What?
cek.
What?
Do you have any additional? Ada tambahan?
Okay, I think it's enough, bro.
Okay, very good. By the way, thank you, Bro Halim. And then right now, maybe we jump to Bro Bisma. Okay, Bro Bisma, the second questions. The last one that you have the same questions as Bro Halim that just he got, yeah, or he got, bro. Then right now I will spin it for you again, Bro Bisma.
What kinds of meals do you like?
Okay, what kinds of meal do you like, Bro Bisma?
Oh, okay. Thank you for the questions. Nice. I think this is nice questions to me. What kinds of meals do you like? I think that I really like nasi pecel. I really like most favorite food in Indonesia, fried chickens. Okay, fried chicken with rice, and I also really like food about um what else? Maybe just these two that I can say to you. But for me, it depends on the conditions because when I eat these two foods, I cannot eat these two foods in the morning because I don't
Oh,
know. I just want to go to the restroom if I eat these two foods. I don't have any power or I cannot eat food really heavy food in the morning. So I think that's these two foods. It will be something that I don't eat in every morning. Yes, because
okay.
what I said.
So
Yes,
you mean it couldn't be your breakfast meals, yeah?
yes. In the breakfast, sometimes I just eat uh like a small cake or only
Bread.
a bread. Yes, bread. It's only one layer of bread.
Oh.
Sometimes with the jar, sometimes only with sunshine egg, something like this. But it's not really frequently I did my breakfast. But in the
Okay.
morning, I'm sorry, at the afternoon, at the night or at the noon, like dinner and lunch, I eat just maybe these two. What I said, nasi pecels or fried chickens. Yeah, because it's really easy to find the merchant of these two foods, and also since I was child, my mom also was cooking for me for these two kinds of meals. So that's why I think that I really like it until right now. Yes, I cannot say that I don't really like for these foods. This is
Okay.
something that it's incredible, and it's also like last or previous question to me. It's also healthy foods. I mean nasi pecel because it was contained like vegetables. It was also contained something like the peanut sauce. Yes, even though yeah, with the additionals like in Indonesia gorengans or uh, omelets, but it's okay for me. I think that these two
Mm.
foods is my food favorite.
By
Thank
the
you.
way, because you mentioned that you really like nasi pecel, bro. So where are you from, bro, Bisma?
I'm from Batam.
Wait, you are from Batam, but you
Yes.
know the Javanese food that is like pecel, yeah?
Yes, because my mom is coming from Java, from Malang.
Oh, which part, bro?
Malang in
Okay,
Kalipare.
Malang.
Kalipare,
Sorry?
Desa Kalipare.
Oh, Kalipare. Okay.
Yes.
It's from Malang, it's Java, so that you know
Yes.
nasi pecel, yeah? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
This is really nice food, I think. The most favorite
Be-
food for me. This is
because
number
at the
one.
time, maybe your mom often make the meals like a nasi pecel for you,
Yes.
so that's why right now that food to be your favorite food. Yeah, you didn't say as
Yes.
well that it's not the what's that? It's not your favorite food kan nggak bisa bilang kayak gitu karena memang ya dari kecil and then that's the
Yes.
thing that you really like, right?
Yes. Yes. I
Okay.
have a traditional tones.
Okay. Okay, very nice, very nice. Thank you so much. So that I
Yes.
asked you
Thank you.
why you like nasi pecel, yeah, right? Okay. Thank you, bro, Bisma. And then, hello, Sis Vivi. Why did you get the internet
Yeah,
problem?
sorry. I don't know the connection and just logged out and sudden.
Okay. So we're gonna give you the question again, yes, Sis
Oh
Vivi.
my
If you get,
goodness, question
yeah, each person will get two questions, by the way.
again?
Okay.
Okay.
So if you get the same questions like before, I will try to spin it again. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, this will be.
Ah,
What is your favorite cuisine?
for question. I'm like a spicy question. I think I ever answered this
Oh yeah.
question. Spicy. You know, I love a spicy one.
Maybe we
All
make
about the
it
food.
more
Yep.
specific, yes, is Fifi. By the way,
Oh,
maybe for general you like spicy food, but about the
okay.
cuisine
Okay.
or traditional food that's spicy, so what you like
Okay.
most?
Uh, who the person answer about the pecel? Who? Sorry,
Bro Bisma.
Robisma. Do you ever heard about bubur pecel
Huh?
porridge?
No.
Pecel porridge. Oh, this is from my
You can
hometown
ask
is
Bro
Malang.
Bisma maybe. Bro Bisma.
I don't think so. I don't think so. It's a culinary only from Semarang and it's a tourism area in my hometown, in my parent hometown. Yeah, it's a
Pecel
food,
porridge.
you know, it's a food from when I was a kid, and every morning before I went to school, I eat this kind of this menu, bubur pecel. So the ingredient is porridge, and then You know mendoan? Kan makanan tetap
Yeah,
bahasa asal
yeah,
kan, right?
it's really okay.
Mendoan, and then bongko, you know bongko, like nut, black nut. Jadi
Oh,
kayak
yeah,
kacang
yeah,
hitam gitu.
I know.
Wait a minute, sorry. Yeah, bongko, and then some noodle. Maybe I will send you the pic. I
Oh,
have the
can you? Yeah,
I
you
have that
can.
pic.
Go ahead.
Wait a minute. But no,
Okay.
sebentar. Berarti aku harus open kamera nih. Duh.
No, it's really okay. You can share it into the chat or into our group. It's really okay, sis. With you.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I sent to the. Is it okay? You all waiting for me? Is it okay?
How about the others? Is it okay for waiting, sis Vivi?
Wah, kelamaan kayaknya ya. No. Aku bisa itu. I already sent to the group WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, it's like opa, and then it's porridge, and then Fiji, and the top is sambal pecelnya. It's a nice, really. Maybe its appearance is like ih apa sih itu gitu ya. But you know,
Oh, yeah.
it's just so tasty. This is my when I coming home to my hometown, every morning I eat it. And you have to early morning to go there to buy it. You have to early morning because maybe at the 8 EM already sold out.
Okay, yeah. So you have to go faster, yeah, if you need it.
Yes, correctly. Yeah, of course. Tinggal koprol aja pokoknya.
Okay, that's really
Itu
good.
bubur pecel namanya, bubur pecel.
Bubur
Jadi
pecel.
if some of you go to Semarang, you can go to Bandungan, tourism area, you know, hill
Wait,
of Semarang.
which part of Bandungan do you stay, sis?
It's I stay my parent actually in kecamatannya in district near from the
Okay.
alun-alun.
Because one of my friends stayed there, but I don't know.
Oh really?
My friend ever told me that he stayed there in Bandungan as well. But so
Oh
that I
really?
ask you later, maybe I can confirm that to my friends.
Okay, you can ask her or he also about the bubur pecel. And the
Yeah.
legendary bubur pecel only one in near from my house, but the other is just copycat, and yeah, it's a pricey because Bandungan is central of tourism in Semarang, right?
Yeah. And then it's
Okay.
so cool, yeah, over there. Eh?
Yeah, it's cool. Very, very cool.
Mm.
Okay, so that's my cuisine, Indonesian food.
Okay,
I love it.
yeah, okay. Pecel porridge atau bubur pecel. Okay, very good.
Beropak.
Okay, thank you for sharing us about that, sis Vivi.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you too.
Okay, so that's last for Bro Fatah. Hello, Bro Fatah.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, so let's start it, bro. This is the last question, yeah, but not least.
Okay.
Yeah.
How can we make people eat healthier food?
Wow.
So, and your point of view.
Aduh. Ya. Oke. Wow, it's hard to answer, bro. But I would like to try to answer with my opinion. Talking about make people eat healthier food. Okay. I think daily food can affect our health. So we should eat lots of vegetables and fruits. By choosing vegetables and fruits that contain lots of nutrients, vitamins, and
Nutritions, right?
Nutrition, yeah, nutrition, vitamin, and what is it? Minerals as well. For
Okay.
instance, we can eat tomato, carrot, watermelon, banana, etc. We also need carbohydrate such as rice, maybe, and also need water by drinking at least 8 glasses of water every day, right? And
It's
then
around how much, by the way, bro?
uh, 8 glasses.
I mean, the milliliters.
Milliliters. I don't know exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, the
Okay.
important thing 8 glasses. Okay. Then maybe reduce the junk food, oily food, sugary food as well, and salty food. And we should
Okay.
balance it with doing exercise, bro. So yeah, on the conclusion, we should eat lots of nutrients and reduce junk food. That's it, bro.
Okay, because it's real. Profata always
Yeah.
got the used to go the what's it hard question to be answered, yeah, bro. Yeah. Untuk
Okay.
bisa
So
and
difficult
then
for me,
you
bro.
need to think twice, and then what should you say, something like that. But it's really okay because it's a part of your progress. If you got a difficult question letter, if you
Yeah.
get the difficult questions, if you get the difficult question again, you will think that it is easy questions like that to be answered. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
I
that's
sure.
really good. Okay, so that's the way. Yeah, you have applied. This is the my. I know that it's hard to answer. By the way, maybe like the Burhalim Tate, and then Burhalim only can answer like a by short answer. It's really okay, by the way, because we are still practice here. Yeah, we are still practicing. The main point you have try day by day. You have speak English fluently. I can say that it's a better, by the way, Francis, your improvement. And but maybe for me, is it okay, Francis, if later with the new questions, yeah, or with the materials, and then actually in that materials we have the difficult questions, so I will difficult questions I will change that or modify like that. Kalau saya rubah mungkin yang saya kira related to your daily activity, is it okay maybe Bro Halim, Bro Fata, and Sis Vivi? Jadi nanti kalau misalkan nih, ini kan saya pakai sesuai materinya. But maybe for the next meeting, secara materinya mungkin sama, but the question I will change it to be the easier questions, maybe related to our daily activity. Is it okay?
Okay, agree, bro.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
What about
okay.
Profata? Yeah. So
Yeah,
later you
okay.
don't need to answer like it's hard to answer because you have no idea kayak gitu ya. Gak ada gagasan. Jadi teman-teman, jadi mungkin nanti akan kita saya akan modify juga teman-teman. I try to modify the question. I try to
Yeah.
customize, and then later I will try to find the question that or the topic related with your daily activity, Francis. Yeah, yang
Yeah.
berhubungan dengan
It's just like based on experience, right?
ya. Yang penting kayaknya yang cari yang ada hubungan sama experience, so that you have an idea, yeah, in your mind, so that later you can tell more about that. Okay, it's really good, by the way. Okay, so maybe I think that's all first. Yeah, Francis, yeah, about our lessons for tonight. Yeah, we have talked about that, and then for me, the feedback, it's only I just want to know every day we do I give you the questions and then you need to answer it. So the point of me, by the way, that I want to improve from you, the main point, I just want to make you speak more. Yeah, speak up more first, you say more later, I'll try to find and maybe add something later. Yeah, if you have already get the point over there, so I'll try to give my point of view later in your explanations, Francis. Okay, so maybe I think that's all first about our lessons for tonight. Yeah, thank you so much for joining the class and thank you so much for having me. Let me close the class today and thank you so much for joining. Let's close by praying together first. Praying begin. Okay, finish. I think that's all first. And the last I say, see you tomorrow and have a good night, bro and sis, bro Halim, bro Fata, and sis Vivi. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank
Bye. See
you.
you.
See you tomorrow.